Hi guys, in this detailed CarboFix review, I'll be walking you guys through my personal experience with this weight loss supplement because I am someone that has actually purchased and used CarboFix. So what I want you to do is pay close attention and listen to everything I have to say in this video before you get to decide on whether you want to buy this product or not. So I will walk you guys through the pros and cons, my personal experience with the supplement, what I discovered which you have to avoid if you don't want to lose money online. And yeah, now let's get started by making sure that everyone that's watching this video actually knows what CarboFix is and how it works. So CarboFix is a weight loss supplement that uses the best natural ingredients and combines them in a unique recipe to fight against weight gain, disturbed sleep, low immunity and impaired cognition. So all of these are a common problem today, and yet there are no medicine available for treating them unless they turn into a serious disease. So it leaves a user confused about what to do to improve it without using medicines. So well, here's the answer. Now the dietary supplements like CarboFix helps to promote good health without causing any side effects. It works on metabolism, immunity, blood circulation and burns fat altogether. So in a way, it also reverses natural aging, and all of this is achieved within a few days of using it. So this supplement is enclosed inside a sealed bottle, keeping it for at least 90 days. The reason for this is that the body requires time to adapt to the changes imposed by these very ingredients. So the supplement is natural, vegetarian and non-GMO, hence completely side effect free. Now that I'm sure that everyone that's watching this video knows what CarboFix is all about and how it works, let me now start walking you guys through my personal experience with CarboFix. So actually I heard about CarboFix through an article on Facebook that actually promoted weight loss. So I clicked over and looked through their sales page. At first I didn't believe the product because it just promised a lot. And that's when I wanted to go to YouTube and search if I had seen any genuine reviews of people that had used this product. So I actually got to YouTube, searched, and I was seeing a bunch of junky videos of makeup images and robotic voices in the background. The fact that I didn't see any reviews kind of discouraged me at that point, and that's even why I'm making this review to help you guys about this product. But later I saw the adverts again and went to the page only to discover that they had a 60-day money back guarantee. And that's exactly why I bought the supplements, knowing that if it didn't work, I would just ask for a refund on my money and get back my money. So I paid for the bottles, got them delivered and started using them as prescribed. And guys, I won't lie, I actually started seeing results from the way I slept, felt and looked. In just about first 1.5 months, I already lost about 40 to 50 pounds, and that's why I look better now. I was worse before. So yes, CarboFix does work for weight loss, and you can see pictures of me before and after on the screen. I would recommend it to anyone that's really looking for weight loss without having to stress too much. But you have to make sure you stay away from the fraudulent sites that I talked about earlier. So when you go to places like Google and search for CarboFix review, you'll notice that there are a bunch of websites at the top that look and tell you that they can give you 70% discounts, 60% discounts, 90% discounts and stuff like that. But you have to stay away from those kind of websites, because if you fall for what they tell you and finally enter your credit card or PayPal details, they will take all your money in your account and obviously will not send you any bottles of CarboFix because they are not the official owners of the product. So what these guys do, they simply create websites that look like the official websites And what they do once they have created the websites is that they go to platforms like Google and run advanced targeting. People like us who are searching for genuine reviews, knowing that if they offer us huge discounts, we will fall for it and enter our credit card details on their website, and that's the game. They want to make sure that you enter your credit card details and they withdraw all your money and leave you. So you want to make sure you're staying away from all those websites that promote huge discounts. So to make sure you're 100% safe, I have put the link to the real and official website with the original discount where I bought my bottles in this video description below. You will find out the actual official link with discount so that whenever you're ready to buy some, you can use this link and purchase. So it's the first thing that you will see in the video description below. And even if you're not ready to buy it after watching this video, I'd recommend you to save this video to your watch later on YouTube and come back to it whenever you're ready to buy. So now that I have walked you guys through my personal experience and the scam that I warned you guys about, let me walk you guys through the pros and cons that I found while using Carbofix. I'll start with the pros. The first thing that I would love to mention as a pro that comes with Carbofix is that it is a unique supplement that doesn't only target weight loss but follows our comprehensive approach for inducing a stable body system in a natural way. And the second thing that I love to mention as a pro that comes with Carbofix is also that the fact that it is made up of all natural ingredients and there are no hidden artificial ingredients inside it. The third thing that I know as a pro that comes with Carbofix is the fact that it actually works. As for myself, I have lost a lot of weight just by using it. The fourth thing that I would love to mention as a pro is the fact that it shows results in a few weeks of usage. My own significant results started coming about 5 weeks and some days. And the fifth thing that I would consider as a pro is the fact that it doesn't cause any distress and side effects, and the fact that you can equally get a money back guarantee is something to be considered as a pro, because it actually makes the whole thing risk-free for you, because you can buy the supplement, use it and ask for refunds if you don't happen to see any results. So now that we have looked at the pros, let's now take a look at the cons. So the first thing that I would love to mention as a con that comes with Carbofix is the fact that it actually requires a lot of discipline. Because if you're not someone that cannot keep up with the routine in taking your supplement tablets consistently, then I don't think Carbofix would be a good thing for you. But if you can actually keep up with the time and take the supplements as prescribed, then I would strongly advise you to give Carbofix a shot, because it will work for you. The second and last thing I would think that it would be a con that comes with Carbofix is the fact that for now it is only available online. So to wrap up the whole review, I can strongly say that from my experience with Carbofix, I am satisfied with the way I am now, and I would strongly recommend Carbofix to someone that is currently looking to improve him or herself weight-wise. And also don't forget guys to make sure you're buying it from the official website. So click the link in the description for the official website with the original discounted price where I bought mine, and I'm 100% sure that you will be safe if you buy through that link. So please give this video a like and also comment no more scams in the comments so that this video will be seen by more people like you. Thanks for watching.